welcome back to the Mindful Magnolias channel. Today I am sharing my 3 must-have essential oils for babies. Whether you already have essential oils in your home or you're just kind of learning more about them and wanting to know what can support your baby. With these 3 essential oils, you can mix and match them and use them for so many different things and really help to care for your baby's physical and emotional well-being. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so the very first essential oil, which may not come as a surprise, but it is lavender. Lavender essential oil is so calming and soothing and can really be used for a myriad of things for babies. First of all, I love lavender for sleep and for the calming ability that it has. Newborns especially are just entering this world trying to figure things out, and as they grow up, they're still adjusting and having all these changes around them. And so giving them something that's all natural, really calming to help soothe their body and their minds and just really put them at ease is really, really beneficial. So I love putting diluted lavender. Always dilute your oils when we're talking about oils for babies and kids, but diluted lavender on the bottoms of their feet, a little bit on their chest, or even down their spine is a great thing to do before nap time, before bedtime, or even just during the day if baby is seeming more fussy than usual. Lavender is also a great one for their skin. So whether baby's dealing with some redness or discomfort on the skin or on their face or on their heads, whatever the case may be, lavender is such a soothing and calming oil to the skin that it's another great one to use as needed on contact of where they're needing the extra support. Now, another great reason I love lavender, and this is kind of a little known secret, so don't tell anyone, but lavender is amazing for nausea and even tummy issues. So when babies are having digestive concerns, if they're not feeling well, if they're bringing their legs up into their tummy, and you can just tell they're not comfortable, lavender on the tummy and even a drop inside the navel, diluted, can really, really help to just ease any of that discomfort. So lavender is incredible for so many different things, but it's a definite must-have essential oil for babies. Now, another must-have oil for babies is Digestzen. I have used this so many times for my babies for tummy upset, discomfort, any kind of digestive issues that they're dealing with. And Digestzen is a blend that doTERRA makes, which doTERRA, by the way, is my absolute favorite brand because they put purity and quality above all else. And I know I can trust these essential oils to be pure and certified therapeutic grade to use for my little ones. So Digestzen is a blend of different oils, so you don't have to make your own blend. It's already ready to go and has really supportive oils in it like fennel and peppermint, which are really, really great to help support the tummy, support any digestive issues that are going on, and really just help baby to feel their best. So this is a great one that you can even team up with lavender or just use it by itself, diluted with some coconut oil and rubbed clockwise on the tummy to really help things move along and to help baby feel better. Now, Digestzen is also a great one you can put on the bottoms of their feet. Even though it's for the tummy, we can also use oils on the bottoms of the feet to get it into the blood system and the bloodstream. Now you can also add Digestzen onto the bottoms of the feet diluted. Even though it is for the tummy, when we put oils on the bottoms of the feet, it gets into the blood system and can really help further support the baby. Now, my last and total must-have oil for babies as well is another blend called Onguard. Now, Onguard is the protective blend, and it is all about helping baby stay safe and protected from those environmental threats. We know, especially during the winter, there's a lot going around, and we want to keep baby as supported and healthy as possible. So Onguard is our absolute must-have. I use this diluted on my babies and my older kids, bottoms of their feet and up and down their spine every single day. And this really helps to support their immune system to be boosted and supported so that no matter what happens, I know at least my kids have that extra immune protection. Now, when my kids are not feeling well, and if they're feeling like maybe they're coming down with something, then we definitely do our Onguard and do that a couple times a day. Consistently throughout the day, we'll diffuse Onguard and really just make sure we're supporting our bodies all around for immune support. So when there's not much it seems you can do for babies and little ones when they're not feeling well, definitely turning to our essential oils is something we can do that's all natural and extremely effective. So there you go. Those are the 3 must-have essential oils that are on my list that every household should have for their babies and for their kiddos. Now, while there's so many other oils that we can talk about, these 3 are a great place to start because they really help address some of those main concerns that babies face, like sleep, calming, fussiness, skin issues, digestive issues, and immune support. These 3 can do it all. Now, if you want to learn more about essential oils for babies, then check below this video in the description box and click on the link to learn more about the Essential Wellness for Littles course. This is my online program to help take you step by step and teach you exactly how to safely use essential oils for babies and for kids, and to really help support their physical, emotional, and environmental health. I have bundled these 3 oils together for you if you're wanting to grab these today in a nice little starter pack that you can get 25% off today when you also click that link below. Let me know what questions you have about using essential oils on babies and kids in the comments below, and I will happily answer them for you. I hope you guys found this valuable, and turn to your essential oils and your natural tools to really help support your little one's growing body. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.